Hi guys, you're watching Scuba World on YouTube. So today I want to show you how to set up your gears and check your gears before your buddy check on you before you go for a dive. So what I have here in front of me is tank. Okay, so maybe stay right here. All right. So the first thing, you want to make sure your orientation. You want to sit behind the tank. Valve on the right, sit behind the tank, take off the dust cap. Okay, so this is called the dust cap. Take it off and you want to make sure there is an O-ring right here. Okay, like a washer. Okay, open it. Right. Then we'll get our BCD. Buoyancy control device. So I'm going to do it sideways so that it's easier for you to see me, but you always want to sit behind the tank. Hold the BCD hanger like this so it's easier for you to hold it. You see this hanger? Hold it like that. Okay? BCD facing away from you, and there's two straps. One is for the tank neck, one is for the tank body. So then you just slide it down. So one for the body and one for the neck. So okay. Then you want to make sure that the BCD and the tank is parallel. What I mean by that is straight like that, not like that, where the tank is like this and the BCD that way. Doesn't work like that. So make sure it's parallel. Then you hold the corner of your BCD right here, the color of it. You measure the height. Okay, so for this one, it's a little bit too low. You want to lift it up a bit and measure it again. Okay, so why we do this, so that all this first stage doesn't really get into your head or your neck area when you go diving. So again, measure it about this. It's a little bit high like that, it's fine. Or the same level, it's fine. Then you pull the strap, making sure the thumb is not right here on the snap here. There's a snap here. You want to hold the strap instead. Okay, hold the tank and pull. Okay, secure it properly. Don't be like this, don't be like that. Okay, you want to secure it properly. Okay, and this strap right here, you can always tighten it so that when you change your tank, it's always gonna be on the same level that you like. Okay, so if you wet the BCD, it's easier to just pull things. So it's one of the things that you can always do too when you pick your BCD. Make sure you just dunk it in a tub, get it wet, and then assemble it. Okay, so sit behind the tank. Alright, the first thing I would do is basically to make sure that it's secured properly, holding the BCD hanger and shake it. Okay, it's not sliding. This is great. Okay, so this is good. Then we get our regulator. So the regulator is also have a dust cap right here. So you want to take it off. Take off the dust cap like that, making sure that the breathing is on the right. So there is two. One is primary and the other one is alternate. It's also called octopus, is yellow. And usually the octopus or the alternate air source, it's longer. Okay, so two hoses on the right and two hoses on the left, the SPG and the LPI, low pressure inflator. Okay, so when you take that dust cap of the first stage off, you want to make sure that again the breathing is on the right so that you don't get confused. The hoses stay behind the tank and secure it like that. Okay, use 3-finger strain to tighten it. Just 3-finger strain. Check. Okay, this movement, it's okay, so that you can see left or right. Okay, 3-finger strain. Double check that. Okay, then get your LPI and your inflator right here. Use 2-finger, push it down. Don't let go of it. Push it down. Get your inflator and connect it all the way in, then let go. Double checking it to make sure it's secured properly. Then you want to strap it in so that when you go diving, it's always on your left side of your body. It's not like somewhere at the back where you can get confused where you need to inflate, where you need to deflate. Okay, it's right here on your body. Always secure that. Then this is the time that we want to turn on our air. So when we turn on our air, I suggest you not do like this and open it because of pressure, so the glass might break. So you want to be safe. Face it away, or even put it like that around the BCD. Okay, so that it doesn't get to your feet or your eyes. But if it gets to the BCD, yeah, it might leak the BCD. Then you have to buy your own new BCD. But at least it's not to yourself. Face down and open it slowly. So open and close. If you forgot, there is a arrow here where it says close that way, open this way. Okay, towards me. So when you open it, you want to hold it like that, secure. Not hold here. Hold it more towards the gauge. Hold it properly. Open it towards you slowly, maybe by one twist slowly. You will feel the pressure going into the hose. So you want to be gentle to your equipment, yeah? Alright, so when you feel the pressure, then you open it all the way until you cannot twist anymore. Open it. Okay? So a lot of divers likes to just one twist forward like that. It's also okay. Look at your air. Now I have 210 actually. Okay, so 210 is good. Never take the tank below 180. So basically right now I have checked my tank is a full tank. This is a good tank. Now I have to make sure my regulator is good, my BCD is good. Okay, before you breathe on your primary to test your air, you always want to smell your air first. There is a purge button here. Okay, you just press and smell. Okay, if you smell like rubber, like plastic kind of way, that's a good smell. If you smell cigarettes, toilet, chocolate, all of that, don't even think of having that tank for a dive. Okay, smell it. And then breathe. When you breathe, you want to make sure that you breathe 2 or 3 times, not like 1 time. By doing that, you also want to check, make sure your air reading, the gauge here, is not broken. Look at the needle, making sure it doesn't go crazy like whoop, whoop, it goes back to 0, whoop, whoop. Okay, so you want to breathe 2-3 times and look at the needle. Okay, then it's good. It's not heavy, it's smooth. Whenever I inhale, it provides me the air that I need. When I exhale, the valve cut it off, so it doesn't give me the air all the time. So it's a good one. Then you'll check the alternate air source. Okay, breathe in. Alright, then you just tuck it in right here. Okay, that's it. Good. So guys, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my video, do like, share, comment. Till then, bye.